Hey traders, it's Mike from Orderflows here, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make this quick video for you about my book, Trading Order Flow, that I wrote about 10 years ago, and I want to show you how you can get it for free. I've always offered it for free, and it's come to my attention, that there are people out there trying to pawn it off as their own work or even try to sell it, even though it's been free. It's always been free. Years ago, before I even started the Orderflows Trader software, I left JP Morgan and I wanted some time off and I started writing a book. This was going to be my contribution back to sort of the trading community, talk about order flow. And the book is 150 pages, okay? And it's just something that, it's been my collection of thoughts on order flow, not just on order flow itself, what is order flow, but it really dives deep into order flow. It isn't just another trading guide saying, oh, you got to have good risk management, take trades like this. It's a deep dive into the critical aspect of market dynamics that many traders overlook, which is basically it is the order flow. And if you've ever found yourself struggling to read the markets or make sense of sort of the chaos that looks like there is in the market, I make a lot of videos. And I've got over 500 videos posted on YouTube over the last 7-8 years. And it is, not everyone's got time to read, or sorry, rather to watch, videos for unlimited amounts of time. And, the book was sort of a way that, people could, print it out, save it, make their notes with it, while they watch videos or take some of my courses, right? And it's been a game changer for many traders. Right? I've gotten emails saying, thanks for taking the time out to write this book. And, again, it was something that I created for free. And it just kills me sometimes that I see people out there basically, trying to sell it. It's free information. Order flow information is, to me, is the best information out there. So if you want to get a copy of it, okay, and again, I've had this on my website for as long as my website's been up. You can even watch some of the webinars that I do. I always show people how to get it for free. What you do is you go to this link, www.orderflows.com/book.html. Okay, it takes you to this page, where you just enter your name, first name, last name, email, hit submit. Then it's going to take you to the digital download page, right? You're not going to get the actual hardcover copy of this. It's a download, okay? And basically, this is what it looks like, right? I've seen people literally just remove my name from it and in some cases just put their name on it. It even talks about my background in there, and I read it, and it's the same background. But it's 150 pages, right? You can see here's the table of contents, right? We really cover a lot of area in the book. Okay, again, I wrote this book in 2015, but a lot of the information that's in there is very applicable to what happens now, because again, order flow is not something that is brand new that just started 20 years ago, right? If you are sort of a market historian, like myself, I love reading, books from the 1920s even, right? Sort of the most famous book on speculation is Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, right? And what was he? He was a tape reader. So, order flow is about reading the tape. Okay, so, in Trading Order Flow, right, the book Trading Order Flow that I wrote, which you could get for free, right? Again, just go there, orderflows.com/book.html, and it just takes you to that simple page. Enter your name and email and hit submit, and you're taken to the book. You're going to learn the fundamentals of order flow and why it's important in unlocking market movement, right? You're going to learn even advanced techniques for analyzing order flow data so you can spot trends before they become obvious to, the rest of the traders or the crowd, however you want to talk about it. You're going to learn some strategies that you can apply immediately to recognize, high probability trades. And you're going to, understand how order flow can give you a significant edge over other traders out there. Okay, and again, there's no catch to it. It's free. You just go to that page right here. Right? Again, the link is down below in the description and in the comments. Just enter your name and email. Right? I'm not charging you for this. It's been my whole concept of creating this book was my way of giving back to the trading community. Because when I started out in the markets, I started out literally on the bottom. I started out as a runner, and even before that, how I sort of got into that is by taking courses on the markets, market profile, candlesticks, technical analysis, at the CME while I was still in college. So I got to meet people that eventually worked on the floor that helped me get a job, right? Because, information is paramount in understanding the markets. Okay. People go to jail for insider information trading, but thing is with order flow, it's all right there. All the information of what's taking place in the market is there for you to see, right? It's sort of like peeling back the curtain, so to speak, and showing things. This is one of our trade setups right here. This big red line telling you to get short is on the Orderflows trader. That is the accumulation distribution tool, right? And it leads a nice short, right? Because everything that you see on the footprint is actual trades in the market, and it's important information. Okay, so again, to get the trading order flow book, it's very simple. You just visit my site and you sign up, right? You're going to get instant access to the book, Trading Order Flow. Again, not the hardcover copy. You're going to get a digital download. And again, it doesn't matter whether you're a seasoned trader or someone that's just starting out with order flow. Right, understanding order flow can be that missing piece in your trading puzzle. Right, for a lot of people, it really helps them click and understand what's taking place in the market. So be sure to head over to my website right here. This is the direct link. You don't need to go to orderflows.com and start looking for it. Just copy and paste this link, or the link is in the description in the comments. Just click on it. Takes you to that page right here. Enter your name and email, and you're all set up. All right, guys. So again, don't fall for, it just kills me that I've seen people try and sell this book for, who knows how much. It's been a while since I've actually looked. It's kind of it's tiring to go to Amazon and fill out, the paperwork, say, hey, please take it down, that I'm the writer of that book, etc. But you can get it for free, right? And that was the whole point of me creating it, is to give back to the trading community. So enjoy the book, and that's all. See you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.